Hey, so I have two rocks. I got this, like it's a red lava rock, kinda. I don't know, it looks like it's redder. And then this one that's like black. Pretty black. Can you see a difference? Okay. Open. Just gonna break the camera. Kinda, no. Okay, so the black one over there, and then this red one over there. Okay, let's see if it breaks it. No, okay. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Let's see what happened. Oh, nothing happened. Dang it. Let's come up. Okay. See, is it hot? Oh, hecka hot, hecka hot. Hecka hot. Let's try this red one. Ah! Almost dropped it. Well, the red one's not very hot. Or maybe the water's hot. I think I should have got 2 different bowls of water. Oh well. So lava rocks don't explode. That's pretty interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.